Hi everybody, this is Kathy. Welcome back to my channel, Kathy's Favorite Things. Happy Saturday everybody. I am here with BEEBEECRAFT project share number 2, and I'm gonna show you what I made and how I use the products that they sent me. Okay, so I'm going to link down below my unboxing from BEEBEECRAFT, and you will see the products that I received, but I'm also going to show you here. So I ordered some paper, and the paper is super shimmery. See that shimmer? It's like a really beautiful, I think this is like an off-white or maybe like a light peach color. Super pretty. And my camera, yeah, it's picking it up. See, it's super shimmery. Really beautiful paper. It's on the both sides. It's the same color. And it came with a beautiful arrange of colors. It had some silver. This is silver, or like a gray, a light gray, and it had the purple one. And it comes with 2 packages of the same colors, and there are 2 papers of each color in each packet. So I have quite a few left. And like I said, the colors are beautiful. In my project share number 1, I used this color, the peach color papers, and some die cuts that I received from them, and they were flower shaped die cuts. Okay. Now in my project share number 2, I decided that I was going to make some memory decks cards, and I used the paper that they sent me. Like in this one, I used this purple or lilac, because it's not a deep purple, it's more like a lilac color, and you see it's shimmery, super pretty. And like I said, on both sides it's the same, and the shimmer on both sides is the same as well. So this is the paper. See, it's super shimmery. So I die cut some memory decks card. In this case here, I have 2 memory decks together, and I joined them in the back. So let me just show you the back. This is how it looks. So I joined 2 together to give it more height, and this is how it looks up close, you can see. And it's mermaid inspired, because I think that that color is like super pretty for mermaid crafting. And in the ephemera piece, in the embellishment that I made for this memory decks card especially, I think the colors, you know, they go perfectly. So something else I used from BEEBEECRAFT besides the paper, it's the gemmies. Do you see all those gemmies on that star on her hair? Well, all those gemmies are from BEEBEECRAFT, and they are super shiny, as you can see. And I added some on her hair as well, and on her earrings. Can you see those in the earrings? And also on like the corners, in those 2 corners. I didn't want to go crazy because I really want this to be like super elegant looking. And I think I achieved that goal with adding those beautiful sparkly gemmies. They're so beautiful. If you can't see them, like in the earrings, they are right there. See that shine? And right there. Super shiny. Let me put it up close. And right there, and here, see, over there, over here, and over here, and on this corner, and on the bottom corner as well. So that's one of the memory decks cards. Something else I used, this is not BEEBEECRAFT, I had this is like a mesh and crepe paper rosette that I used underneath to give it, you know, more height, to pop it up a little bit. So that's what I did. Also, I made another one also with the BEEBEECRAFT paper, which is this one. And it's also mermaid inspired. So pretty. And as you can see, I used the gemmies also over here, the shiny one, over here, and over on this corner here as well. And the one in her necklace, it's also from BEEBEECRAFT, that blue one. And the ones you see in the corners, those gems over here, that one over here, that one on that corner, and this ones, those are all from BEEBEECRAFT. And the paper as well. Look at how beautiful that shimmery blue paper is. Stunning. And this one I also joined in the back, and as you can see right there, this is two memory decks together to give it more height. And it's super similar to the other one. I used the same mesh underneath and the crepe paper rosette, and I had this pearls. I had them in my stash. So, but now I'm going to show you up close one more time. This gemmy, it was gifted to me, so I had it in my stash, but these ones are so beautiful. I really like them. I mean, BEEBEECRAFT products are so good. I really like these gemmies. And the their size is tiny, and you have, when you work with them, you really need to have a tool to pick them up because they're super tiny, but they give that special touch to your product and to your project. So I really recommend this to you guys. And there are a lot of them in the baggie. This one here, that's how they came. So you can see there are so many in here. I have quite a lot left for more projects. If you want, you can use this also on your nails. You can glue this on your nails with like hot glue, not hot glue, super glue. Don't use hot glue because you're gonna burn yourself. Not on your nails, but like I said, super glue. Okay, use this with super glue and you can add them in your nails. But look how many there are in this bag. And the other ones that I use, that I received from BEEBEECRAFT, is this ones. And I use the blue colors. I use the light blue, I use this deep turquoise, and the lighter turquoise in my mermaid crafting that I just show you. And I have quite a bit left still, so this is something that you should really get from BEEBEECRAFT. If you go to their website, I'm going to add their link down below. It's www.beebeecraft.com. And you can also find the links to the products that I received and that I used in this crafting. I'm going to also link them down below for you to go buy them in case you want to order from them. Okay, and these are some more. This is the silver, not the silver, like the light gray color. And I cut this also another memory decks that I have ready to use, and this one also in the blue color. So I have this ready for more crafting. And I also cut out this little envelope thing that I had, and it comes with this tag in there. This is a die that I had in my stash, but I used the paper from BEEBEECRAFT to cut it. And this is what I'm going to use in the back of my memory decks. I'm gonna glue this on the back, and I'm gonna write my information in that little tag. So I hope you like this project share, you guys. And please go check out BEEBEECRAFT. They are amazing. Everything comes packaging super nicely when you received it. So they usually do a wonderful job. I really love ordering from them. So don't forget to check down below for their link. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye now and have a happy Saturday.